Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get Rocket League on Steam in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned player or just getting started, I'll take you step by step so you can have the game up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First, open your Steam application. You can find it on your desktop or in your program files. Just double click and you're in. If you're not logged in yet, don't worry. Steam's login is quick and easy. Just enter your username and password, hit sign in, and you're ready to go. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Steam homepage, your hub for all things gaming. Up at the top left, you'll see the Library tab. Click on it. This is your virtual bookshelf full of all your games. Now, let's add Rocket League to your library. At the bottom left, you'll see Add a Game. Click it and select Add a non-Steam game. Here's where we locate Rocket League on your computer. Click Browse, navigate to the folder where Rocket League is installed, commonly in your program files or main games folder, and select the executable file. This is usually the one that ends with .exe. With Rocket League selected, click Add Selected Programs, and just like that, Rocket League is now part of your Steam library. You can launch it just like any other Steam game, and all your usual Steam features like friends lists and overlays will work seamlessly. Finally, go back to your library, find Rocket League, click it, and hit play. And there you have it. You're ready to hit the field and start scoring those epic goals all through Steam. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. See you in the next one.